breaking through, I was following a specific blueprint, and I did not teach it. It was for myself. I went from that company I was failing. It was I became #1 income earner in 3 months following that blueprint. It was very, very primitive at that point. It was still, too early, right? So I'm like, all right, and I went to ClickBank, crushed every single promotion I've ever done in ClickBank, became #1 ClickBank affiliate at that time. Got invited to the VIP private parties, whatever, got treated like royalty. It was fun. It was great stuff. I made a lot of money on ClickBank just as an affiliate. Then I started to create my own trainings. Phenomenal stuff. I test these ideas for basically over the last well over 12, 13 years, official testing this kind of stuff. We did great. So it came down to this right here. Basically, it's a blueprint that for getting traffic, converting traffic into leads, and what do you do with those leads? How do you communicate with them? And so today, okay, we are doing something that we have never done before. We're giving away this blueprint for free. You can download. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pop a little something here below this video. You guys can download it for free, and I'm going to tell you what we're doing beyond that. Okay, you guys see the button pop up? It says Get Mass Traffic Blueprint Free, and it is on fourpercent.com/live. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to walk you through this process right now, folks. Okay, we're just launching this. You'll be able to literally print this out. I recommend you laminate this, because everything I do when I launch a promotion, when I launch a campaign, how I build a company, 2 companies, okay, was following this blueprint. This is a $100 million blueprint. Okay, the button is there, so when you click on the button, it's going to open up. It's going to take you to a little page where you can download it. Okay, you're going to enter your email. So the system will send you this blueprint for you to download. And then what's going to happen is, if you want to, we are opening up right now, okay, a crash course that I created. I've never strings attached. You can get it. It's free right now. You can download this blueprint. I've created a crash course that goes with it, okay, where I take you behind the blueprint. I'm about to walk you through this crash course. You guys want to see the crash course? Okay. We've made it available and affordable for everybody. Let me show you what's inside the course. It's 5 modules. See that right there? It is 5 modules. You will go here, play. Look at that. Okay. Boom, shake it, boom. All right. So this first lesson here, it's 47 minutes. This is not just some kind of a thingy. This is a $1,497 real actual value information. We actually had people pay that previously for this level of training, but I decided to package it up in a crash course and practically give it to you for basically almost nothing, okay? Module 2, it's all about getting traffic. Look at that. We are getting into understanding the blueprint exactly, precisely. Then lesson 2 is all about, you guys can see this, right? Lesson 2 is going to be all about fast traffic, fast results traffic. And I literally give you some sources. We get into the things. We talk about strategic scale. We dive deeper into that. Domination mode. So module 2 is all about how do you get traffic, right? How do you get traffic? Module 3 is all about how do you manage traffic. Talk about your secret weapon, the setup, the whole 9 yards, everything. Management of the traffic, how do you manage traffic? And then we talk about how do you multiply traffic, but not only traffic, we're talking about your main central control center, which is the key. We talk about how to multiply sales, how to multiply money, how to multiply traffic. And then we're talking about mastering traffic. So it's a 5-module course. This is going to change your life. So what you guys can do right now, go ahead and grab this, go through this, literally devour it.